So listen, Trump gave an alert that now is the time to buy stocks. My question to you, should you? We're going to talk about it in today's video, but more importantly, I'm going to give you at least three stocks that you should have and hold. Okay, so listen, man, as always, I got a jam-packed video. Please do me a favor. Please make sure you like, subscribe. Please help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Now, check it out. Sometimes when you get a signal like buy now, like from Fed Powell or CNBC, Wall Street, the president, they could be signaling that something is coming. Okay, so you don't want to gloss over it, but Coach is here to break down the technical piece of this for you. So let's go ahead and pop open this chart. Check this out, guys. This is the SPY. This is the top 500 companies in the stock market. And so I like to use this as a barometer, okay? But check this out. Everybody find 573. Okay, now Trump is not an investor, a trader, and he's definitely not a technician, okay? I get busy in the market and had for a long, long time. Let me teach you guys something. Do everybody see 573.27? That price and that black line associated with that price is called the 200-day moving average. When stocks is underneath there, they're more susceptible to going down than up. Okay, so not that we have to go down from here. Okay, trend lines are good. Look, they're about to turn back around and go up. But the better buy for if you're going to tell somebody to buy now is when we get above 573.27. So say we are above at 575 and now 573 becomes support, then we know without a shadow of a doubt we can go look up higher, guys, towards 600. Okay, so from a technical analysis perspective, guys, when you use the chart to guide you, you don't guess, you don't gamble, you don't have to shoot from the hip. You know with certainty. Okay, so now is not a bad time to buy, but now ain't the best time to buy. And if we can't get above, what was that, 573.27, that's going to be resistance. We're going to get rejected trying to get there and come back down anyway. So you need to say if and only if are you going to be buying heavy like that if you are going to get above that level. Okay, now if you already been in stuff at the lower end, you're fine. I'm talking about trying to buy now at this absolute time, thinking that you can just blast off from here. You can blast off if we get above 573. Yes, indeed. Coach gonna be the first to tell you I do this. I'm a technician. I'm gonna already have and see and know ahead of time, hey, everybody get in the Discord. We about to make $1,000 a day. Those that know what they're doing, you should make 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, or 100K because we will have the all clear sign, okay? But I just wanted to put that out there. Yes, you should be buying in general for your long-term perspective, but if you guys are trading or doing something short-term, you always want to, whether even if it's me, you don't just want to buy blindly. Even if it's Trump, you don't just want to buy blindly. You want to also do your due diligence, okay? So Coach just wanted to put that on you guys. Now check it out. I got three, in this case, ETFs that you must have in your portfolio. So breaking them down, starting with number one is VTI, okay? VTI is a Vanguard Total Stock Market. This is the equivalent of like the S&P 500, if you will. VOO will be another ticker symbol similar to this if you wanted to go with that one. Either or is fine. You just need to have it, okay? And you need to hold it long term and you need to pile money into it. All right. It's currently sitting at 278.42. It is up 7% in the past month, but again, far away from the highs. Okay, the 52-week high. So if it dips down, okay, below, like I say, 260-ish, let that be a buy signal for you. Okay. Again, guys, you can always be dollar cost averaging. You can always be buying. You should always be buying. Okay, but when the stock, look at this big dip. Look at towards the 1 month mark. That big dip right there is when you want to buy heavier. You want to buy more when it's low and less when it's already up high. Let me know if that's understood, okay? Keep that in mind, but definitely put this in your portfolio, okay? This is the hallmark of my portfolio, just so everybody out there that's watching, you understand and know. How did Coach retire young? What was he investing in? This was one of the more heavier allocated assets that I use to retire off the corporate plantation early, okay? VTI. But I had it when it was low, knowing that over time, it always go up. And at the very minimum, even on a bad year, go up 8%, 7%, 10%. But on a good year, you can get 20%, 25%, okay? But then you have your runners, your other stocks, the Teslas, the Palantirs, the Nvidias, they go up 200, 300%. And when it all come together, guys, it's a beautiful thing. SCHD is the next one, guys. Ticker symbol SCHD. This one is sitting at $25.78 in the past month. This one is up nearly 2.5%, okay? This one finally came down to its 52-week low, so it is near there now. So in terms of needing something to buy, something that's already ready and served up on a platter for you, it would be this, okay? Do me a favor and make sure you get as much of this as you can, especially at this price, because it's only a matter of time. Over the next 6 to 9 months, this will be going up to its rightful place and price, okay? So SCHD, ladies and gentlemen, is one you want to have next. And then we have the triple Qs. If you need something that's going to get busy, that's going to move a little faster, you got your best tech stocks. The 100 best tech stocks is in the triple Qs, okay? This is also affiliated with the NASDAQ 100. The triple Qs, or QQQ, we call it, is up 8%, 8.3% to be specific, sitting at 487.92. Okay, so again, look at that low. It bounced off that low at the very bottom. It dip it made. That's a upside down or inverse head and shoulders pattern it made. That told us we were going up. Okay, and so now we are up. We're getting close to resistance. You don't panic here, but if it come back down, you now see the level towards the downside. That is where you would buy it at, knowing that it's going to go back up at some point in time again over the next month, okay? Listen, guys, never blindly buy, but always do your due diligence, okay? I don't care if it's myself telling you or not. Yes, I'm leading you correctly and in the right manner. However, you still want to double check my work, double check my levels, double check the things I say. Although I'm on point, although you guys are going to do extremely well by listening and following directions, you still want to know for yourself. That is what teaching you how to fish is all about, okay? So whether it's Trump, whether it's Fed Powell, whether it's a talking head on CNBC, still before jumping in blind or still jumping in with an oversized amount of money, go peek under the hood for yourself, okay? That's what I always do. I'll hear a recommendation, but I'll say, okay, I'm gonna put that on my radar. I'm gonna put that on my watch list. Then I'm gonna go check it out. I'm gonna go investigate it. Then I'll consider jumping in. I don't just blindly jump in because I heard them say something on TV or on a news article or website or something, okay? So keep that in mind, and then have these 3 hallmarks and staples in your portfolio. You got growth, you got dividend, you got the total market. That's a well-balanced mix if you want to have a good 3-fund portfolio, just to know that you got the right mix that you are investing in for the long term, okay? Listen, man, be ready to make some money this week. I want to see everybody in the Discord. Everybody else consider joining the money team. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, but very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.